From the moment we are born, we age. It's a fundamental truth of life. Cells divide, they change, and eventually they stop working as well. Our bodies gradually decline. We develop wrinkles, our bones weaken, and our risk of diseases increases. Aging is a complex process, a symphony of genetic and environmental factors. For centuries, humans have searched for a way to stop this process, to find the fountain of youth. Myths and legends abound, but the reality is more grounded in science. Today we stand on the precipice of a new era, one where we might be able to manipulate the very building blocks of life itself, our genes. Could this be the key to unlocking the secrets of aging? Could we one day rewrite our genetic code to slow down or even reverse the aging process? The answers, like the universe itself, are full of wonder and possibility. Imagine a world where we could treat diseases by correcting the faulty genes that cause them. That's the promise of genetic engineering. It's a powerful tool that allows scientists to modify an organism's DNA. Think of DNA as a blueprint, a set of instructions that tells our cells how to function. Genetic engineering gives us the ability to edit these instructions. We can insert new genes, delete harmful ones, or even tweak existing ones. This technology is already making waves in medicine. Scientists are developing gene therapies for diseases like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. But can we apply this same technology to the aging process itself? Aging, it turns out, is not just a random process. It's influenced by our genes. Scientists have identified specific genes that play a role in how we age. Some genes, like the ones that repair DNA damage, can actually slow down aging. Others, when mutated, can accelerate it. By targeting these genes, scientists hope to develop therapies that can slow down or even reverse the effects of aging. One promising area of research focuses on telomeres. These are protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes that shorten each time a cell divides. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces that prevent them from fraying. As telomeres shorten, our cells age and become more susceptible to damage. Some scientists believe that lengthening telomeres could be the key to extending lifespan. Section 4. Living Proof. While the idea of significantly extending human lifespan is still largely theoretical, there's growing evidence that it might be possible. Take, for example, the tiny roundworm C. elegans. Scientists have successfully extended the lifespan of these worms by manipulating their genes. In one study, researchers were able to double the lifespan of C. elegans by altering a single gene involved in insulin signaling. While worms are obviously very different from humans, these experiments provide a glimpse into the potential of genetic engineering to manipulate the aging process. Other studies have shown that caloric restriction, which has been linked to increased lifespan in various organisms, might also work by influencing gene expression. These findings suggest a complex interplay between our genes, our environment, and how we age. Section 5. The Price of Immortality. The prospect of living longer, healthier lives is undeniably appealing, but it also raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. What would it mean for society if we could significantly extend human lifespan? Would it exacerbate existing inequalities? Who would have access to these life-extending technologies? Some argue that pursuing immortality is unnatural, even hubristic. They worry about the unintended consequences of tampering with the natural order of life and death. Others believe that we have a moral obligation to alleviate suffering and extend human potential, even if it means pushing the boundaries of what's considered natural. These are not easy questions to answer, and they will require careful consideration and open dialogue as we venture further into this uncharted territory. Section 6. A Future Without Age. The idea of ending aging might seem like science fiction, but the science behind it is very real. While we haven't found a way to stop the clock entirely, we're beginning to understand the mechanisms that govern aging at a fundamental level. Genetic engineering, with its ability to precisely target and modify genes, holds immense promise in our quest to live longer, healthier lives, but it's crucial that we proceed with caution. The potential benefits of genetic engineering are enormous, but so are the risks. As we unlock the secrets of our own biology, we must do so responsibly, ethically, and with a deep understanding of the potential consequences of our actions. After all, the quest for immortality is not just about living longer, it's about living better. And that requires more than just manipulating our genes, it requires understanding ourselves and our place in the universe. What will it mean to be human when we can control our own lifespans?